Hi, this is Keel's Garage. Are you a proud Toyota Tacoma owner looking to protect your ride with the best mud flaps on the market? You're in the right place. Today, I'm going to show you the world's top 5 best mud flaps for Toyota Tacoma. These picks will not only keep your truck clean but also add some serious style. Don't forget to check the link in the description below for more details and to grab yours. Number 1. Husky Liners Front Mud Guards. Designed exclusively for 2005 to 2015 Toyota Tacoma models with OEM fender flares and mud guards. Crafted to fit like factory originals, these guards provide impeccable coverage for single or dually factory tire widths. Constructed from impact-resistant thermoplastic, they're built tough to endure a lifetime of wear and tear. Plus, the proprietary Husky Shield film adds an invisible layer of protection. Installation is a breeze, requiring just a few screws and minutes of your time. Elevate your Tacoma's appearance instantly with sleek style that blends seamlessly with the factory look but adds a touch of custom flair. Proudly made in the USA, Husky Liners offers a lifetime guarantee, ensuring peace of mind and hassle-free replacement if needed. For the best mud flaps for Toyota Tacoma, look no further than Husky Liners Front Mud Guards. Number 2. Tacoma compatible with Toyota Tacoma Mud Flap Splash Guards, the ultimate solution for keeping your Toyota Tacoma clean and protected. Specifically designed for 2016 to 2023 Toyota Tacoma Extended and Crew Cab models with factory fender flares, these mud flaps boast top-grade ABS thermoplastic construction, ensuring resilience against muddy water corrosion and durability in any environment. With a thickening design and impact strength up to 10 MPa, they're built for off-road adventures, shielding your vehicle from mud, dirt, and road debris. Installation is a breeze with included hardware and instructions, or refer to online tutorials. Backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee and 12-month warranty, these mud flaps promise 100% satisfaction. Upgrade to the best mud flaps for Toyota Tacoma and enjoy a cleaner ride today. Number 3. REK Gen Mud Flaps, the perfect solution for Tacoma Gen 3, 2016 plus, owners seeking the best mud flaps for their ride. Engineered with precision, these mud flaps are tailored specifically for your vehicle, ensuring a seamless fit and maximum protection. Crafted from flexible materials, they effortlessly contour to your Tacoma's shape, providing optimal coverage against mud, debris, and road grime. Installation is a breeze, thanks to their user-friendly design, saving you time and hassle. Plus, with a scratch-resistant finish, these mud flaps maintain their sleek appearance even after rugged off-road adventures. Elevate your Tacoma's style and shield it from the elements with REK Gen Mud Flaps. Drive with confidence, wherever the road takes you. Number 4. X4XZ Mud Flaps Mud Splash Guard Mud Guards, the ultimate choice for your Toyota Tacoma from 2016 to 2021, designed specifically to complement OEM fender flares. Crafted from premium ABS plastic, these mud flaps offer unrivaled protection against mud, slush, dirt, and debris, shielding your vehicle's lower body from wear and tear. With high heat and impact resistance, they promise durability and stability in any environment. Installation is a breeze with the included hardware kit, ensuring a perfect fit without the need for drilling. Plus, with 24-hour customer service and a 1-year product warranty, you can trust in our commitment to your satisfaction. Elevate your Tacoma's protection and aesthetics with the X4XZ Mud Flaps Mud Splash Guard Mud Guards, the best mud flaps for Toyota Tacoma owners seeking quality, reliability, and peace of mind. Number 5. Pitt 66 Mud Flaps, the ultimate solution for Tacoma owners seeking the best mud flaps for their vehicles. Specifically designed for compatibility with 2005 to 2015 Toyota Tacoma models equipped with OEM fender flares, these heavy-duty splash guard fender mudguards come in a convenient 4-piece kit. Crafted to OE standards, they offer a durable aftermarket replacement at an unbeatable price point. Molded precisely to match the factory baffle shape, installation is a breeze with no modifications required. Built under strict quality control standards, these mud flaps ensure a plug-and-play experience, promising longevity and reliability on the road. Plus, with a dedicated customer service team ready to assist, you can trust Pit 66 to address any concerns promptly. Upgrade your Tacoma's protection with Pit 66 mud flaps and conquer any terrain with confidence. In conclusion, when it comes to finding the best mud flaps for your Toyota Tacoma, it's crucial to prioritize durability, functionality, and aesthetic appeal. After thorough research and review, insert product name or brand emerges as a top choice, offering superior protection and style for your vehicle. Whether you're tackling rough terrain or navigating city streets, investing in quality mud flaps ensures your Tacoma stays clean and protected. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share for more updated videos.